Good afternoon. I'm Dan Fisher, Assistant Vice Chancellor of Operations and Facilities Management. Throughout the pandemic, I've worked with a team of facilities staff who are committed to the health and safety of all Pitt community members. As such, a multi-layered approach to indoor air quality has been a critical component to facilities operations. We comprehensively evaluated the heating, ventilation, and cooling systems in all 240 buildings on campus, ensuring systems met ASHRAE requirements, which are the American Society of Heating and Air Conditioning Engineers safety standards recommended by the CDC. Through this audit and verification process, we confirmed operations of systems, optimized airflow settings, increased outside air quantities, and addressed mechanical deficiencies. And we continue to ensure building systems are operating properly to support indoor air quality through regular ongoing maintenance checks. Our facilities management team is here to serve you and can provide additional information on the university's extensive air handling, cleaning, and sanitizing protocols. To learn more, contact your facilities manager or visit FM.Pitt.edu.